Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view your own Snapchat story. If you don't know how to do that, make sure watch this video till the end and you should be able to do that. So first of all, what you want to do is just open the Snapchat application and then you just have to add something to your Snapchat story. Let's say this one, and then click on send to and click on this my story at the top and click on send. This will post it to your story, and right now at the top left corner the icon that change as well from your Bitmoji to your story. So just click on the top of corner and right here it is your story. As you can see here, it is your account. What you want to do, where it says my stories, just click on this circle right here and then you will be able to see your own story. And if you swipe to the top, you can also see how many people saw it and share it, and you can also delete it or save it to your camera roll. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.